എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? We got freedom, right? Yes. We were under British people. Is it? We were like slaves. We were not having freedom. We didn't have freedom like what we are enjoying now. Okay? So our forefathers, our freedom fighters, they fought for our freedom. They struggled so much to get freedom for us. That freedom we are enjoying now. Is it? Okay. എത്ര വർഷമായി നമുക്ക് സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം കിട്ടിയിട്ട്? 78